Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my first time flying FPV. I'm flying the DJI Neo 2 using the Goggles N3 and the RC Motion 3 controller in a semi-enclosed area which is fenced off from the public. I'm going to try to add commentary as I go along while simultaneously communicating with my spotter through a mic and earpiece. We'll see how that works out. A bit of good editing should help. So on the top of the screen there is the goggle view. I'm taking it nice and steady. My first time ever inside because the signal's quite strong for the RC, and I'm just going around about 1.5 meters a second at the moment. Started off at about 1 meter a second. So I'm going to turn it around now. I shall do a little edit there so you didn't see how tricky that turn was on my first attempt. So if you aren't subscribed to my channel, hopefully you will return to see how I'm progressing with my FPV journey. I'd love to hear your feedback on how you think my progress is going. So now we've got to a point here and I'm just going to go through these two columns. These are called colonnades and it's on the promenade in Blackpool. So I'll just also now try going up this path, a steady slope up there, so back down to about 1 meter a second, and the obstacle avoidance is on there. And as you can see now, I'm having to keep my height up to keep it 0.7 meters off the ground at the moment, 0.6, so I'm going to go over the top of here now and come out into the open air. As you can see, there's some people walking up, so I'll get it up and out of the way. And down again onto the promenade. And a quick zoom up here so you get to see them from the outside, the colonnades. Under repair at the moment. They're going to be completely refurbished, painted, and they should be good as new, hopefully. So under the walkway again, nice and gentle, looking at all of the information on the goggles. And let's see if we can go a bit quicker down here now. So that's over 2 meters a second now. Still very slow, but as I said, I'm still a beginner. I've got a number of demos and tutorials on my channel, but for this video I'm asking all of you experienced FPV flyers for all of your tips and advice. How did you gain confidence and competence, and what were your biggest learning experiences? Let me know in the comments. So as I continue to fly down here, 2 meters a second, getting the hang of it a little bit. But I can only imagine what a proper FPV drone is like with no obstacle avoidance and the speeds that they get. So here I am again outside, and I'm just going to whiz along to the beach and all the way up here, back to where the home point is. Still in normal mode and just looking for where I set up. My spotter is well hidden out of the way here. He's advising me that there's no obstacles, nothing to worry about, and these two containers, these two blue containers on the left, go past them, and then a little bit further up there's a beach patrol. And I'm going to turn left and I'm going to go up the pathway and back to the home point to finish my first flight. So anyway, once again, let me know what you think of my first ever FPV flight. Is there anything that you could share that would make it easier next time, a little bit less nervous perhaps? So there's the beach patrol hut. We're going to dip underneath here. I've been following this little white circle here, and that I presume is the best way to point to where you're going to go to. For now, I'm going to call that a day. Thanks once again for watching. All your likes and subscribe, much appreciated.